Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 2.1.5 on simple complete divisions. So in terms of rhythm, up until now we've been dealing with macro beats and micro beats, big beats and small beats. So macro beats would be ba, 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 or numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. And then our hands give the micro beats. Ba, 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 ba. 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D. Now, we're going to deal with divisions. Each microbeat can be further divided into two. Could technically be divided into any number, but for the purposes of this course, we're just going to be worrying about dividing into two. So instead of going ba 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 ba, now it's ba 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 ba. If we're saying microbeats and syllables, we say 1D, 2D, 1D, 2D. With the divisions, we say 1 kadimi, 2 kadimi, 1 kadimi, 2 kadimi. So we still have the numbers, we still have D where the eighth note would be. We add, so 1 ka di mi. So if we take a look at that, we have 16th notes to represent our divisions, which makes sense. We have a quarter note, which splits into two eighth notes, and each eighth note splits into two 16th notes. So whether you're writing single sixteenths with flags or multiple 16th notes with beams, notice that there are two of them instead of the one that you would have for an eighth note. That's an eighth note. These are eighth notes. These are still eighth notes, even though there are four of them. These are 16th notes because there are two beams. So syllables written out. Whatever number beat you're on, 1 kadimi, 2 kadimi. So here are a couple examples where this first line 1D, 2D, 1 kadimi, 2 kadimi, 1D, 2D, 1 kadimi, 2. So just switching back and forth between your eighth notes, your microbeats, and your 16th notes, your divisions. You can add in some rests, you can add in some half notes. So for instance, let's do line 3. 1, 2D, 1 kadimi, 2. 2D, 1 kadimi, 2. So that's what's going on there. I will see you next time.